Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137, or you can email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The old telephone numbers are no longer our numbers. The new telephone number is 857-7137, and this number uses WhatsApp. So this number uses WhatsApp, and it's 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. Remember that you can have classes with us. You can either have class in person or over the telephone. These classes are available whether it's in person or over the telephone. These classes are available island-wide, anywhere in the island, anywhere in Jamaica. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class or longer if you choose. It starts from $2,000 per month. $2,000 per month for 1 hour class per week. For one class per week, 1 half hour class per week. $2,000 per month. Anywhere in Jamaica, anywhere in the island. Pay for it to our Jamaica national account. Pay for the classes, pay for the telephone classes or the in-person classes to our Jamaica National Bank account. To have class in person, you can have class for 2 hours each class, any day, anytime you choose, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m., any day of the week from Sunday to Sunday. Classes in person can either be with a class, as a full set of class with other persons in it. That means you will come to us, or we can go to you. To come to us, it would be $1,000 per class. $1,000 per class. 2 hours for the class. 2 hours, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Any day of the week, Sunday to Sunday. Or we can go to you. We can go to your location, your house, or wherever you would like us to go to. To go to you, it would cost $2,000 per class. That's $2,000 per class. Any day of the week, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Classes can be any grade of primary or prep school, PEP, reading for adults, reading classes for adults, teenagers, or children. So adults, teenagers, or children can have reading classes, PEP classes for any grade of primary or prep school, as well as persons doing the art aptitude test can have classes with us. We will help you with your art aptitude test. Pay for it using Pay for it using our Jamaica National Bank account. You are also invited to purchase my set of 50 GSAT past papers or PEP papers and PEP papers. 50 GSAT past papers and PEP papers, about 50 papers for only $4,000. Only $4,000 for the set of about 50 past papers, GSAT past papers, as well as PEP past papers. Send us a WhatsApp in send us a photograph. Send us a WhatsApp, an email. Send us an email telling us which email address you'd like the email sent to. You will receive these tests by email. Send us an email telling us from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and that way we will have the email address right and ready to send it to. So send us an email from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and we will have that email address right and ready to send the test to. So we will send you an email of the 50 GSAT and PEP past papers. You will receive the emails the day after payment is made. Send us a photograph of your receipt through email or WhatsApp. The account number is Island-wide Jamaica National Bank account number 0011114402, Afro Tree Branch. Account holder's name Richard Shaw. Again, make payment for anything, for classes or past papers at any branch of Jamaica National Bank, account number 0011114402, Halfway Tree Branch, account holder's name Richard Shaw. Send us a photograph of the receipt in WhatsApp or by email to let us know proof that would be proof of your payment. So send us a photograph of your receipt after you have made payment in WhatsApp or by email as proof of your payment. You may make the payment online, or you can go into the bank and use the Dropbox. Use Jamaica National Dropbox to pay for it. That's a quicker way to pay for it. You don't have to use a teller. You can use a Dropbox and pay for it, and you can make payment online. So remember, Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number, and this is a WhatsApp number. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. Hi again. Welcome to another in the PEP Mathematics Summer Series compiled by Techno Teacher JA. This is question number 125 out of 150 questions. This question asks, what type of angle is 106 degrees? The choices are A. Acute, B. Obtuse, C. Right, D. Reflex. Again, the question and choices are, what type of angle is 106 degrees? The choices are A. Acute, B. Obtuse, C. Right, D. Reflex. Do you know about angles? I will give you about 1 minute to come up with your answer. After about 1 minute, my answer will come up. Then you'll have another minute before I come in again and explain my answer. Did you come up with the correct answer? Again, I will read the question and the choices. Then I will read my answer and then explain my answer. What type of angle is 106 degrees? The choices are A. Acute, B. Obtuse, C. Right, D. Reflex. Now to read my answer. An obtuse angle is more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Answer: obtuse. Answer B. Now to explain my answer. An obtuse angle measures between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. An obtuse angle measures between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. So the answer therefore is an obtuse angle. An obtuse angle because 106 degrees is less than 180 degrees and it's more than 90 degrees. 106 degrees is more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. It's not an acute angle because an acute angle measures less than 90 degrees. An acute angle measures less than 90 degrees. A right angle is 90 degrees exactly. A right angle is 90 degrees exactly. And a reflex angle measures more than 180 degrees. A reflex angle measures more than 180 degrees. So therefore the answer is an obtuse angle. So therefore the answer is an obtuse angle. An obtuse angle measures more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. An obtuse angle measures more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. So answer B, obtuse angle. Answer B, obtuse angle. I will give you about another minute to review my answer and to make sure that you understand both the question and the answer.
Parents, if you don't know the GSAT or PEP lessons or need refresher help, purchase my quick read summaries. Well, the summaries are no longer being offered for sale. They are free by video on YouTube. And past papers and practice tests with answers and explanations. So these are past papers as well as practice tests. They are not all past papers. Some of them are practice tests. They are tests that were written for the exams to help your child to pass the exam. So they are practice tests, not past papers, they are practice tests. So again, parents, if you don't know the GSAT and PEP lessons or need refresher help, purchase my past papers and practice tests with answers and explanations. They are extremely helpful. Parents should help their children study for GSAT and PEP. If a survey should be done, it would find that almost all GSAT and PEP passers were helped by their parents. GSAT and PEP preparations should be started from early. Parents are apt to think that the teacher at school must let the child pass. But remember this, most children fail GSAT. Private tutoring and very small classes is the right way to go for most children. Most people wait until January to look for help outside of the regular school. This is after they get the first term's school report or the child have done the mock exam. Not a good idea. GSAT and PEP is less than 2 months away then. From my experience, many of these children needing help can't even subtract properly at that late stage. How can they pass GSAT in less than 2 months? Be prudent if you want to be one of those who celebrate when GSAT or PEP results come out. GSAT preparations should start from grade 3. Yes, that's right, from grade 3. These GSAT past papers and practice tests are helpful to parents of GSAT students. Students in grades 3, 4, 5 and 6, high school students who failed GSAT or who are weak in one or more subjects, adults and children who failed GSAT and will be doing CXC exams. This is because CXC exams, if you don't know the basics, you won't be able to handle the more complex questions, right? So you have to learn the basics first before you can move on to more complex problems. Some people who keep failing CXC is because they don't know the basics. That is why they are unable to pass. So get the basics first. So start with, do the GSAT if you need the basics. Do GSAT. Do the GSAT topics. So watch my videos and do the practice test, and then you move on to CXC. The CXC questions, which are more complex, the CXC studies. Then you move on to the CXC studies, which is more complex. Also, these past papers and tests and practice. Also, these past papers and practice tests. Also, these past papers and practice tests are suitable for persons sitting the GNAT exams. That is the Grade 9 Achievement Test. The Grade 9 Achievement Test. GNAT. Persons in grade 9. Also, it's suitable for persons sitting heart aptitude test. So if you are doing an art aptitude test to get a job through hearts and you are unsure that you'll be able to pass that test, you can watch all the GSAT videos that I have offered here and do the practice test and that will help you to pass the heart aptitude test and to get a job, and it will help you to get a job through heart. Also the tests are helpful to persons who didn't finish high school or did poorly in primary. No. Also the tests are helpful to persons who didn't finish primary school or did poorly in primary school. So parents, if you need refresher courses or if you need help with knowing what to teach, what to do, or if you don't know these lessons to help your child or to help your children, go ahead and watch these videos for yourself and do the practice test for yourself also, so that you will be able to help your child. And don't forget that these GSAT tests are also suitable for primary exit profile, PEP. Subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos that are available on YouTube as soon as they become available. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. Like and subscribe, and also you're invited to share my videos. So when you subscribe, when I upload a video, for instance, if the video you are watching is social studies part 2, when I upload social studies part 3, you will get a notification on your computer right away that I have uploaded social studies part 3, and you can go ahead and see the video. So go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching. You should watch these GSAT videos over and over again until you know them from memory. Repetition is important. You can always message me if you have any questions or need further help using my email address, my Facebook page, or the telephone numbers that are shown on the screen. So bye bye for now. Bye bye.